In this video, you'll learn how to turn on fast charging on your Pixel 9 by following these steps. You will enable your device to charge more quickly, enhancing your overall user experience. First, ensure you are using a fast charging adapter that is compatible with Pixel devices. It is recommended to use the original charger or a certified USB-C cable. Connect your Pixel 9 to the charger securely. Proper connection is crucial because fast charging relies on compatible hardware. Verify that everything is plugged in correctly to proceed with the next step. Next, navigate to the Settings app on your Pixel 9a. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open Settings, scroll down and select the battery option. In the battery settings, look for features like adaptive charging or similar options related to charging speed. Make sure to enable these features. Activating these settings is important as they help optimize charging performance and contribute to battery health. After adjusting your settings, it's time to monitor the charging status. You can do this by checking the lock screen or the battery section within the Settings app. Look for a message indicating that the device is charging rapidly. This confirmation means that fast charging is active. To ensure the charging process remains efficient, avoid using your phone heavily during this time. This will help maintain the charging speed and prevent any potential overheating. Additionally, ensure that your device is in a well-ventilated area while charging. Proper airflow is essential to avoid overheating, which can negatively impact charging efficiency. If you notice any unusual heat, consider moving the device to a cooler location. Your Pixel 9a will now charge faster thanks to the adjustments you've made. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.